when a utility company in Europe planned to expand their 275 kilovolts power line network by adding a new substation, they faced a significant challenge. The project required building 2 new terminal towers, but ensuring an uninterrupted power supply during construction was critical. A solution was needed to keep at least one circuit operational, avoiding any downtime that could impact network security. The solution? SBB's Emergency Restoration System, or ERS towers, typically used in emergencies, but equally effective for planned projects like this one. With the ERS towers in place, the client was able to bypass the 300-meter construction zone without disrupting the power flow, ensuring constant availability. Once the construction was complete, the conductors were reinstalled onto the new terminal towers, and the ERS towers were disassembled and stored in the SBB containers. The client quickly saw a return on investment by completing projects with our ERS towers, a word directly from our client. This was said by the transmission overhead lines project engineer in charge of this project.
The structures employ an effective modular system, allowing quick and efficient design and erection in various configurations. SBB's standard designs adapt readily to different voltage levels and site conditions. The engineering team's technical support has been outstanding, enabling rapid development of new designs. Instructors were well versed in the structures and erection techniques. Over the past few years, SBB's emergency restoration structures have become a valuable asset for planning and ensuring network security.
This serves as a testimony of our commitment to uninterrupted progress. Thank you for watching.